Welcome to the Majestic Princess with Sea Leg Journeys. Today we'll be taking you to the laundry room. Laundry rooms can be found on decks 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, and 15. If you notice the red carpet, that signifies that we're on the odd-numbered side of the ship. If you have an even-numbered cabin, you'll have a blue carpet. So come on, let's go to the laundry room and see how this works. This is the laundromat. And look, there's Robin from Sea Leg Journeys.
Doing laundry on a cruise ship.
Alright, so what you gotta do is you gotta get these tokens, right?
So these, the small gold ones are for the soap, and the copper colored ones are for the washer. One for the washer and one for the dryer. And right here it tells you how long.
Pretty good sized tub there. Put your token in there. They're commercial washers. Okay. You need soap. Use your token to get your soap here. Right. You've even got ironing boards. Come on down and iron your stuff. If you don't know how to do it, I got instructions right there. Okay. Where do you get your tokens? Right here. This one's broke, so we had to go to deck 8, even though we're living on deck 10. But you go up there and you put your medallion against this. And then it asks you what you want. And you can pick out, you want soap, how many soaps you want, 1, 2, 3, how many coins you need for washers and dryers, because they're 1 coin each. I need 2 to wash, and 1, 2, 3 to dry. Your total's here. You put your medallion back up there again, and tokens come out right there. Then you can wash your clothes, dry your clothes, do whatever you need, right here. The Majestic Princess. So this has been your laundry room tour. Oh, look, there's a TV here too. How about that? You do have a sink here if you got something heavily soiled, you can get it cleaned up a little bit before you put it in the washer. That's okay too. So that's your laundry room.
If you would like to support this channel, please consider becoming a member or hit the super thanks icon below. We really do appreciate it. Until next time, we'll see you around the channel.
See you around the channel.